About 5 years ago, when I was asked to be the department manager at TWC, first of all, I was thrilled and very excited at the opportunity, but I realized that the title manager even just didn't feel quite right. Managing to me is a little bit more about processes and procedures, but I felt like leader was really the more accurate term. I really want to try to help my team, kind of really keep the sails full, stay on the right tack, really heading towards that goal together.
When I come in on Monday morning, or when anyone does, it's always different. There's people talking or people working, headphones in, and everything's just kind of aloof, I guess. And then I usually get into work, get my coffee, and join the fray.
The architecture department has a very light and fun sort of atmosphere. We have inside jokes, we have reoccurring jokes throughout the day. We make each other laugh all the time. That's one of the main reasons why I love working here, is just the humor is awesome.
Our physical office here is great. It's a pretty open atmosphere, studio setting, and there's a lot of back and forth and talking to each other about details, projects, thoughts, and interacting socially as well. So today actually one of the guys brought in his dog, so we've got a pup over there, and so I went out and got some tennis balls from the car.
The architecture team has a lot of different strengths. I think first and foremost we're a very open, communicating team, which helps us develop ideas and get us further along in projects and as a department and overall as a company.
I've been here 6 years now, and I don't think I can ever imagine going to any other place. The team here it really is like a second family. All want to do better, all want to do best for our clients, but also have a great work environment.
As a team, we all work together good. Some bring a little bit more energy, some bring a little bit more detail-oriented, but yet we all strive to get the job done and have everything be as good as it can be.
Ultimately, we all work together and communicate so that we can produce an end goal of a functional yet visually pleasing building.
One of the great things working with TWC, the team itself, is that it's family knit. It's flexible, understanding, and it's why I've been here for 5 years and going.
Everybody has such an important role, whether it's a little bit more task-driven or big picture, conceptual, and yet all of those things are so important. They all need to be integrated. They're all essential, and they all need to come together. And I just want to be there to support, to lift up, and to lead that entire team to that direction.
We all have various different key skills that most of us are still learning each other's strengths and weaknesses, especially me coming and being a little bit newer here. But I think the overall team atmosphere is very big. We're very open, we're very communicative. We like to pursue new ideas, but along with keeping the standards of TerWisscha.
I think we all understand each other really well and how we operate. We're all very flexible with, if we have a question, we can ask it anytime.
They want their employees to learn and grow, and the communication between departments is something that I can really appreciate.
TWC is unique in that they allow you to do your work and expect that you're going to do your work, and there's not a lot of micromanaging, babysitting. Let's all show up, be adults, and get the job done, and most people are here to do that, and that fits. That's part of the culture, is that it doesn't matter if you're in the office, you're working from home, you're traveling. The point is you're going to get your work done, and so it's flexible.
Enhancing lives through structure, to me, it's kind of multifaceted in the sense that we build buildings, so we're building structure, but at the same time, we're also helping each other out grow, because we're all at different levels and stages of life, that we all come together and enhance our structure personally and as a team and as a company and the department.
TWC is for the long run.
So TWC to me is definitely a lifelong friendships. I think the people I've met here and worked with, I think we're going to be friends and sharing family stories and whatever for the next 20, 30, 40 years.
Together, when you put us all together, that's, I think, when like the real magic happens. That's what's great, is just everyone's different opinion coming in, sharing it, other members of the team thinking, that's a good idea. I didn't think of that. And there's no hierarchy of a good idea and a lesser. It's just they all have value, and when they all come together, there's a better product in the end.
Darn flies. At least it wasn't a squirrel.